everyone, today we got a volcano. If you look at the bottom here, it's supposed to sand it down and there's supposed to be a rocky supplies. Okay everyone, here's everything we can create. Let's look at our things here. We got a brush and a magnifying glass, a chisel, and a hammer. Let's start off with the hammer. I got a great idea. Let's start using the chisel. Chisel.
There you go. Hold it, and then now use the hammer.
Oh.
Yeah. There we go.
Ow. We need a real hammer. If you're ever going somewhere, make sure you bring a hammer and a chisel, because you never know if rocks can come. You need to chisel your way out. You got a magnifying glass. Are you guys ready? Let's go in. You guys see this? So cool, close up with a magnifying glass, doesn't it? Usually you don't get to see this stuff. Look at this. Through a magnifying glass.
During the digging process, periodically remove the dust from the brush.
Like this.
It says do not blow over it though.
You might not see much from me because I'm going to the Smoky Mountains tomorrow for 2 days. Good idea. Dig down. Then put it at an angle. Twist it. You can do this if rocks are in your way too. Hurry, swipe with the evidence. It's coming out all right.
Oof. Whoa.
Was it supposed to?
Yeah.
Break?
Yeah.
Oh. So you're supposed to break the volcano?
Yeah, it's gonna have to all break, so I guess you can hit it anywhere you want.
Ooh, what's this? Give me my box.
Ta-da.
Got our second stone right here, everyone. You know what? Going for a deep one.
There you go. Well, you don't want to hold the hit chisel. Here, I'll hold it and you hit it. Ow! Ow! You hold it. Okay. Here we go.
Oh, I'm gonna twist it. Oh, that's doing something.
That thing broke off.
Where did it go?
I think it went under the refrigerator. There it is. That's okay. I'll go right back on.
I got a new tool.
Oh, we lost diamonds. Here it is.
You know what?
Let's see if we can find a different hammer.
Ooh, my hammer. Ooh, it's heavy. See what we got here. Can you hold it?
Yes, son. I'll hold it. Oh, I see one.
You see one?
Slightly chisel.
I think I can chisel it out. That's how I got the last
I
one.
kind of think we're supposed to soak this before we start.
Oh, yeah. Let me go get a bucket.
We're going to try to soak this and see.
Soak it in what?
soak in some water for a little bit.
Put it in the toilet. Nice and fresh.
It's minty fresh.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna put it in. Just keep soaking it.
I'd say we let that soak for a few minutes.
Let's get Mr. Hammer. Oh.
It's okay. It's in the pan.
Yeah.
Mommy's gonna be so happy.
Oh, yep. Oh, yep. She's gonna be so happy. Push it down. Put an air tag on it.
Air tag.
We say, the alligator say it. Stone number 1. Let's take a look.
You can wash it in the water. It might help. Oh, it's green.
See the green? See here. Looks like it still has some wood on it. This is the finished product. Are there any more stones? Yeah, we got one more stone.
I'm sure this got a lot in there.
Another stone.
Yeah, I think this whole thing is full of them.
It is. Finished product for number 2.
There we go.
How deep is this? Little. He's dumb. Oh, what do you know? We got a one that we want working for. Oh, this feels like one of those magnet things you had put on a bracelet.
The hematite?
I think so. Oh. Stone number 2. Actually, number 4.
Alright, we came outside to finish the job. My eyes! You see anything?
No. Sure off with this side. Anything.
I see one right there.
Here?
That one.
I found this one too. Let's put it in
Okay.
the water.
There's one right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Look at that big one.
Look at that.
Let's see it.
Why is the wind blowing?
You might want to throw the rest of it in the water. Alright. There you go.
There we go.
There's one.
There's a big piece. See that, guys?
Let me see.
Killed 2 birds in 1 stone. That's just a saying. It didn't actually. Oh, look at that big one.
That is a big one.
We got a big boys one. Let's try to get it. Ugh.
Oh, easy. There
This
we go.
is the one I was trying to chisel out. If you're wondering.
I think it fell out.
Yep. Did.
There it is.
Did I just break it?
Yep. No, you got it. That one's got one in it. There it is. I see it. Good job. I think that's it.
Guys, this is what I got. I don't even know what I got. This.
Look at all these.
So cool. This one looks like a grape. This one looks like a fresh, like a meatball.
I like that one. Because
Wait, guys. These could be magical. All we need is a flashlight.
a flashlight?
Yeah, all we need is a flashlight. Rock number 1. Rock number 1 under a flashlight. Rock number 2 under a flashlight.
That looks pretty cool.
Rock number 3 under a flashlight. Sometimes the black ones are either green or purple. This one you see is green.
Mm-hmm.
Next one. See what I mean? This one's purple. This one. Meatloaf doesn't do anything. Palm doesn't do anything. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't do anything. Now, our last one. I saved this one for last.
Look at that. That's so cool.
And finally, pew. Like and subscribe and you get these chocolate coins. They get delivered by Elon.